Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how October 2020 will be for Virgo or Kanya Rashi natives. Firstly, the planetary positions. They are Sun in your Rashi, that is first. Your Rashi Lord Mercury in the second, Ketu in the third, Jupiter in the fourth, Saturn in the fifth, retrograde Mars in the eighth, Rahu in the ninth, and Venus in the 12th house. So overall you will have your Rashi Lord and your most important planet Venus, that is second, and your ninth Lord along with Ketu in favorable positions. So with these planets being in favorable positions, you will find better opportunities in this month. You will have more good moments with the family. You will have better health. You may have better health in this month. However, a little caution needs to be exercised, specifically when you are traveling or when you are operating some machinery. So that care has to be taken. Mars in the 8th can cause some mishap. Definitely this is going to be a better month than the previous one. In terms of health, if I have to talk about, there could be some little niggles. There could be headaches, there could be stomach pains, itches or bruises may be caused due to some injury or a mishap. So you better be careful there. Some affliction to your face area, there could be some cut or bruise to your face area. If you are having any chronic ailment or issue, please take care. The problem may aggravate in this month. You will be able to recover all this with the blessings of Ketu and Mercury. So health, yes, there could be some disturbance, but you will be able to recover well. Coming to the career or business, working people will push forward with their with renewed energy and positive mindset. If you are looking for a change or looking for a better job or better position, this is the time. You may find one now. One word of caution is stay away from trivial gossips and discussions at the work front. This could lead you into serious trouble. So pay attention there. Don't participate in gossips. Otherwise, it's going to be a better month. For businessmen, you will find new opportunities coming your way. Courage is going to be definitely better. Heated arguments with your with anybody, it could be partner, it could be customer, please avoid. Maintain a cool head. There will be moments which could lead to some serious problems if you are careless. So maintain a calm approach. That will help you to stay on course and make the best use of this month. If you are planning anything big, end of this month is likely to be more beneficial for you. So for businessmen, yes, it's a good month. Students, if I have to talk about a positive month for students, you will have renewed energy and courage with which you will be able to push through confidently. Coming to the wealth or the gain part, it's going to be a gainful month. However, speculation and gambling is better to be avoided in this month. There could be some loss. If you are planning for any long-term investments, please seek professional guidance and then only decide. Two things are indicated. There could be a sudden gain or a sudden loss. That means the loss may be through a wasteful expenditure. Plan your expenses well. Overall, if I have to talk for gains, this is a better month. Coming to the family front, support from your spouse will be adequate. One or two moments where you may end up discussing or arguing are indicated, but that's okay. Children may bring in some little trouble, but they will behave well towards the end of the month. Elders' health, however, may need a little more attention. One good thing is you may get good support from your siblings and your friends in this month. Elders will also support you in your thought process. Control your anger, however, make this month a blissful one in terms of the at the family front. Do some remedies and make the best use of this month. The remedies are: continue to recite or listen to Hanuman Chalisa every day. This is the mantra for you for the next 2 years. If you want peace, recite Om Gam Ganapate Namaha 108 times every day. This will help you. Worshipping Lord Narasimha or Lord Kartikeya is going to avert those unpleasant or sudden happenings. Okay, pray to Lord Narasimha or Lord Kartikeya. Now, for overall benefit, you can recite or listen to Vishnu Sahasranamam. This will be a very beneficial, what you can say, stotra or a mantra for your Rashi. If you are looking to donate a few things, you can donate Masoor Dal, red colored clothes, items related to Mars, copper utensils to a temple on a Tuesday. Do these remedies, maintain a cool head, and make this month a better one. I wish you all the best for this month. Namaskar.